Hello friends, this short video is to announce the launch of my new book, which is based on clinical case discussion in biochemistry. Nowadays, the new assessment pattern as per new NMC guideline, the first year MBBS student has to solve clinical case questions in each paper. So this book describes 100 cases and it's totally based on the new curriculum. If I show you the content of this book, it has got so many cases which has been taken, starting with carbohydrate metabolism, where all classical galactosemia, diabetes, Curie's, von Gerke disease, Pompe disease. Then in lipid metabolism, all the diseases have been discussed. And similarly, we have the clinical cases from all the topics of first year MBBS syllabus. And 100 cases is being discussed completely. And this is the book, which is quite handy. It's a 260 pages book, and it's like describing all the cases one by one, where the case presentation is given, followed by question and then explanation. This will be the pattern of question which will be given to you in your examination, first year MBBS university examination. If I show you the glimpse, like a case of acute pancreatitis, the case is presented and its biochemical finding is all given. Then the certain questions have been incorporated, like what is the diagnosis, what is the criteria for diagnosis, what single best enzyme which you use for diagnosing the pancreatitis. Then these questions are, one by one discussed at the end. And then it's explained. Similarly, if you see the role of ethanol, which is used as a therapeutic agent in methanol poisoning, the case is presented, followed by certain questions, and that is being explained. So similarly, if you see in section 5, you have vitamin B1 deficiency, case of Wernicke-Korsakoff psychosis, where the nystagmus, ataxia, tremors, poor appetite, and all this kind of case presentation is given, followed by certain questions, and each question is explained one by one. So this is how this book is drafted, and the references are also given at the end, and difficult word meanings are also explained, because first MBBS is not having exposure to the clinics immediately after entering the medical college, so all that medical terminologies are also explained. Like for example, this is the case of G6PD deficiency, where the case is presented, the primaquine history is also given, then jaundice is shown, then what is the reason for such presentation, what is the probable biochemical basis for sign and symptom in this child, and acute hemolytic anemia, why in G6PD deficiency. All these things are well explained one by one, and fava beans intake is also related with increased oxidative stress. So that is how the questions are explained one by one. So this book is going to be very useful to attempt case-based question, and total 100 cases is being discussed. This book is first of its kind, and it's available at all leading medical bookstore as well as Amazon. And this is CVS publication. Show you this book, it's very handy. You can take this book in your lecture theater also, where the lecture is being given to you. You can always refer this book, which is immediately talking to you about clinical connection of biochemistry. Now the major emphasis of this subject is on clinical correlation. So I wish and hope that this book is going to be very, very useful for you all. Thank you very much.